Watch the full video please. What you doing my guy? Oh nah, that nappy beard need to go ASAP. Start the video already you donut.
What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to properly use a hard, medium, and soft brush. And I'm going to throw in a plastic bag in it just because I can.
Stop it.
So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
They ain't sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me, I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out but I'm backing, need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Welcome back guys. So first off, a lot of people don't know that these three brushes, hard, medium, soft, are very crucial brushes at different stages of your wolf session. For example, if you have a 1.5 on your head, you do not use a hard brush because you will commit scalp suicide or something like that. It's not gonna be good, all right? Just don't try it. For instance, if you have 3 weeks of hair on your head, you can start using a medium brush. All right, now if you're 6 weeks to 10 weeks wolfing, you can start using a super hard brush. That's gonna help you get down to the scalp and in between all those long hairs to progress and stuff like that. With that being said, let's start with the soft brush. Soft brush is actually my favorite brush. You can get these brushes from 26kingwavymerch.com. Also this do-rag, use discount code JUICE15, you're gonna get 15% off. So don't order anything off that website without using JUICE15, okay? Nobody likes to spend money. So you might as well use the discount code so you get some money off. Link is down in my description. Go do that right now. But yeah guys, the soft brush is actually my favorite brush. Why? Because I can use this on any length. When I have a 1.5 on my head, which is super low cut, I can use a soft brush to start progressing. When I have 6 to 8 weeks of hair on my head, I could actually use this soft brush to lay my hair down. It don't matter how much hair you have. You can have 23 weeks of hair growth and you can still use a soft brush to lay your hair down. So this brush is very crucial, very important to laying your hair down. Now with that being said, if you want extra lay, you could also add the plastic bag. These two are a very great combination. They're great partners. Use them together and you will get absolutely great lay and great shine. Moving on to the next brush, which is the medium brush, also by 26 King Wavy, link down in my description. Be it this medium brush you can use with 3 weeks of hair growth all the way up to 25 weeks of hair growth. This is your progress brush. All right, once you're 10 weeks wolfing, this brush basically becomes a soft brush because it's really hard for you to get down to the scalp with this brush. So when you're 10 weeks wolfing, 13 weeks wolfing, 20 weeks wolfing, this is a soft brush with a little bit of pull, and your soft brush is your extremely soft brush. Because if you use a soft brush or regular soft brush on 20 weeks wolf, you're basically not gonna feel it. So this is a dope brush for all around progress and a soft brush when you're 10 plus weeks wolfing. All right, but this brush is definitely important. You definitely need this brush in your circle when you are doing your brush sessions, because without this brush, you will not really progress until maybe you're wolfing, because that's when you're gonna have to start using a hard brush. And if you don't have this brush, you have about 6 weeks of worth of hair growth on your head. You're gonna need a medium brush to pull all this hair because a soft brush is not gonna get the job done. So definitely a medium brush will help out a whole lot. Now when it comes to this last brush, which is a hard brush, this is when you're wolfing. 8 weeks wolfing, start using a hard brush. 10 weeks wolfing, definitely need to use a hard brush. 23 weeks wolfing, which you should not be doing anyway, but you could do it for clout if you want to, but it's not really gonna help you with anything. Yeah, throw on a hard brush. If this hard brush is not working, throw on a brick, because the brick is actually gonna be a lot harder than this hard brush. And if you need to use a brick for your hair, then you should cut it off, because I don't really think you need to wolf to the point where you need a brick to actually brush your hair. Because yeah, hard brush is very important when you're wolfing. It helps dig down to the scalp, get all the new growth and pulls it, and it actually helps you progress a lot better. Helps you break forks when you vertical brush with the straight brush. A hard brush is just very important. Now, the most magical part is when you combine these 3 brushes in a plastic bag. Say you're wolfing for 8 weeks, right? You're on your 8 weeks wolf, you wanna start off with your hard brush, right? Go for about 10 minutes, you brush your hair, it's gonna get down to the scalp, help you with your progress. Now, you don't just end it there, because the hard brush has a tendency to lift your hair up. And once you lift your hair up, it gets frizzy and it looks a little not good, all right? So once you finish with your hard brush, you put that down, right? Now you're going with the medium brush. Like I said, when you're wolfing, super heavy, the medium brush becomes basically your soft brush. So use this to lay your hair down a little bit. After you finish with the medium brush, finish laying your hair down and everything, getting a little bit of progress, and you're going with the soft brush to finish it up. Now with the soft brush, you actually lay all the frizz down, all right? You're not gonna progress with this, but you're definitely gonna add shine and lay to your hair. Now if you wanna kill that session, you wanna kill that brush session, add in a plastic bag. 5 minutes, throw in your do-rag, unrag, 30 minutes to an hour later, you're gonna see super great lay, super great shine. Those 3 brushes added together will equal magic. Give it a try and let me know. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if this video was helpful in the comments, man. Once again, if y'all want to copy 26 King Wavy merches, link is down in my description. Use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off your overall purchase, alright? Go do that right now. Let's get it. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button for your boy, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't